Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Been long, right? Today is going to be a makeup tutorial and we're going to transform this ugly face. So stay with me. Also, if you've not subscribed, make sure to subscribe because that's an important part. Alright, let's get into the video. And we are back again. I've already done my brows off camera, so the next thing we are going to move on to is eyeshadow. So today we're going to be using two palettes, this and this is my normal palette that you people already know. Today we're going to be doing a pink vibrant look and we're going to be using pink colors from this palette. I hope you enjoy. So the first color we're going to be using is a dark pink, and I'm going to take this color right here, this pink. So let's just dip that into. I'm just going to press that. So we've put this, we're just going to slightly blend it in and take it higher a little. So after that, we're just going to take this pink right here. It's lighter than the one that we formerly used. So I'm just going to take this with a flat brush and put it into. So after we've done that, I'm just going to take the other pink, this one right here, and we're going to use it to blend into the eyes. So get my mirror. And then just blend this in. So basically I've just blended that out. After you blend it, you should look like this. So we're just going to add a little bit of shimmer. So I'm going to take this pink right here. No, not this one, sorry. This one right here. I'm going to mix these two together and then let's see how that comes out. So you get a flat brush like this. Now, one trick that you can actually do if you want the shimmer to pop is to take your wipe, your makeup wipe, and to clean the brush. Let the water of the wipe, the water, let it touch the brush. So just take a look at this. So I'm just dipping it into the shimmer, the two of them, and then pack it. You see how vibrant that is? I don't know if you guys can see because this light is kind of reflecting, it's shaking kind of. So as you can see, look at how vibrant that is. That looks like a cut crease. So that's one trick that you can use when you want to use shimmer shadow and you want it to pop. Yeah. So after that, we're just going to take that crease brush and then dip it into that deep pink and then blend it together. Just lightly. You do not want to overshadow the shimmer. Just a little. So next I'm going to line my eyes and I'm going to be using a gel liner. The Million Pauline 24 Hours Mesmerizing Eyeliner. So I'm taking an angled brush and so I've already lined my eyes as you can see. So the next thing I'm going to do is to fix a pair of falsies and we're going to get back. I'm gonna show you how to get it. Go right foot up, left foot slide. I don't know the full song. So guys, I've already fixed the falsies and this is what I'm looking like. Yeah. So the next thing is foundation. So we're going to mix that right now. So I'm going to be using the Isa and Those foundation. I'm going to be using the shades Honey and Ebony. So I've already primed my face. That's why I look like this. So I'm going to blend my foundation. Blend. So I've blended the foundation. I'm done with that. So next we're going to be using concealer and I'm going to be using the shade Fun Elegant Pro Conceal. It's almost finished, so I don't really want a strong highlight, so I'm just going to be using not too much. So next I'm just going to use powder to set the places that I highlighted, and I'm using my normal powder, of course. So I'm going to take the lightest shade right here, then under the eye, just pat it there to set it under the eye. Yeah, all the places you highlighted basically. So after that, I'm just going to take a powder of my shade and set my whole face. So after that, I'm just going to set, and I'm going to be using my very good setting powder, and I'm just going to remove it. And then I take a blender and just dip it into powder. Just, I don't like to use too much basically, so just a little, just to set, to bake rather, to cook the makeup. So I like to press. I don't like to just leave it there. Some people like to leave it there, but I basically don't like to leave it there because it becomes hard kind of to blend. So I just press basically. So all the place you highlighted, you just put it there. So after that, I'm just going to contour. I know I look crazy right now. Yeah. So to contour, I'm not going to be doing powder contour today. I'm sure most of you are like, thank God. Yeah. I'm going to be doing cream contour, and I'm going to be using LA Girl Pro Conceal, this dark shade called Dark Cocoa. So I'm just going to place that wherever I would normally contour with powder. And I don't really just like to place it there. I like to use like patting motions, so it will be easier to blend for me. So then I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out. Now I'm trying to kind of like blend it upwards so it can kind of lift my face instead of blending it down so it doesn't end up like a mess. So I've blended that out, and I don't know if you've noticed, like the lighting has kind of changed because rain wants to fall, honestly. So now I'm going to take my angled brush and the darkest shade of powder, just set the contour. Look at that contour. So I'm just going to dust off this powder with powder of my skin color. Just dust it off. So the last thing we're going to do is to highlight my favorite part. So I'm just taking, this is the Huda Beauty palette. Yeah, that's the only palette I have, and I'm taking Bora Bora. So we're just going to do this. Let's do this. Oh, I didn't blend this. Let me blend it out. So back to the highlights. Ooh, look at that glow. Ooh. Let's take more. I'm not really a fan of blush, but for the purpose of this video, let's blush this. So I'm just going to take some blush, just very light. So for the lip, we're also going to be using kind of like a pink, but I don't really have pink, so I'm just going to improvise. So I'm taking this red shade from Black Opal lipstick, so I'm going to use that to line my lip. So I've already used it to line my lip. Now let me show you a trick. Remember I told you I said I want to do pink and I don't have pink, but this is red. Now you can leave it like this if you want, but if you actually want that pink but you don't have it, I'm taking my eyeshadow primer. You can use concealer, but concealer won't really bring out pink, so I'm using my eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to place that in the middle. Now I'm going to do like this. Now look at that. Now what that's doing is that it's giving it an ombre effect. So it's turning it into pink. Now I don't want too much, so I'm just going to leave it like that. So guys, this is the final look. So this is how I look right now. Let me move back. So rate me compared to how I came. I mean how I looked when I just started doing this video. How do I look now? Do I look better? Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe for more beauty hacks, beauty makeup, hair, whatever it is. And I'll see you later. Bye.